Good morning. Today we are going to present model for test for identification of emulsion. In this there are different 5 tests. First one is dilution test, second one is conductivity test, third one is dye test, fourth one is cobalt fluoride test, and last one is fluorescence test.
Start.
So let's start with first test. It is dilution test. Take a emulsion in a test tube, then diluted with water and observe in front of white background. If we see two separated layers, hence the emulsion is O by W.
Start.
Second one is conductivity test. As we know, water is a good conductor of electricity and oil is bad conductor of electricity. So the emulsion take in a beaker and add positive and negative electrode into a beaker. When on a switch button, then glow bulb. Hence the proof emulsion is O by W. And water indicates continuous phase.
Start.
Third one is dye test. In this test, there are two different dyes: water soluble dye and oil soluble dye. Take a slide, then add a drop of emulsion on a slide, then add one dye, amaranth dye. Then we see under microscope
Start.
if we see globules are staining in a red color, water soluble dye, hence the emulsion is O by W type. Fourth one is cobalt fluoride test. In this test, the cobalt fluoride paper is blue. Cobalt fluoride paper dip into a emulsion. The cobalt fluoride paper is blue but is converted into a pink color. To minimize drying time, we made hot air oven. The fan fan is taken from CPU, attached to the oven. We help the drying paper. If the color of cobalt fluoride paper turns into the pink, hence the type of emulsion is O by W.
Start.
As we know, oil is produce fluorescence against UV light, but water does not produce fluorescence. For this test, take a emulsion in a test tube, place into the UV cabinet and observe the fluorescence. If the entire test tube show fluorescence, hence it proves the type of emulsion is O by W. Novelty of this model: to increase the student practical interest. Second one, to make practical work more sophisticated. Third one is to make work more easy by providing all set of tests on one platform. Then to make maximum part of model by waste, that is reused material. This makes it cost effective. Last one is to make maintenance free and cheap working model. And last one is the application: to identify type of unknown emulsion. Second one, to confirm type of known emulsion. Then third one is used for diploma, degree and postgraduate pharmacy student in a regular practical. Last one is, it is very useful for small scale laboratory purpose.
Start.
Thank you.